once again, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be running the wiring harnesses through the body of the car. That will finish the wiring altogether for the most part. We're also going to assemble the intake, the plenum, the velocity stacks, going to install the intakes, custom intake piping. What else? Going to modify this hood so it clears the plenum, and we're going to do some other things. Let's do it. And there we go. We now have all the wiring harnesses ran on both sides, grounded to the original grounding spot right there. modifier. Now you got your right hand is? You got your bolt?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, let me get to my side. There's a bunch. It's loosened. Okay, so after modifying the hood, we still do not fully shut. We need another solid 1/2 inch to close and make this hood flush and close properly. So, there's two options. Either I lower the drivetrain, which I really do not want to do because that will sacrifice ground clearance with this oil pan. As it sits, this oil pan is pretty much flush with the jacking point, which is right there. It's pretty much flush with it. And I don't want to go any lower because this car is driven on the street. That is a risk, okay? I'm going to keep the engine right where it's at. I'm going to modify the hood. I've already committed to doing so by closing it and pressing down firmly to put a dent in it, and I cracked the paint. See that? That was my commitment that I'm going to cut the hood up because it's already cut up, obviously, with the hood pins installed and with the mods we already done. So realistically, this hood's already been cut. So I'm going to install a heat extractor / hood vent to clear the engine. We have about this much that's going to hit if we do not do anything. So I'm going to, once again, I'm going to add a heat extractor. Other remaining things besides the hood will be some further work to the exhaust. I need to make my drive shaft, and I need to figure out a solution for the rear differential, as I do not want to run the original open diff. That will be very unsafe and unpredictable with this power. So far, this project is turning out really well. When it comes to this car, I quite literally put my soul into it, and it has my style all over it. Just simple, clean, you know. I don't know, man. It's literally a part of me brought to life in the physical form of a car. And it's really cool to see it taking shape. Well, that is all for tonight's video. If you enjoyed the footage, feel free to subscribe to my channel, as I highly appreciate it. I'm going to clean up in the shop and probably get out of here for the night. And I will see you guys in the next one, I guess. Catch you later.